Welcome to Destiny Destinations. Join us on the ultimate journey and experience the world like never before.
The morning mist drifts over the Vistula River, a peaceful scene, yet Poland's story is anything but quiet. This land has faced countless challenges, but its heart remains unbreakable. Like the steady flow of the river, Poland endures. Its strength is found in bouncing back, in rebuilding after hardship, and in hope that never fades. Here, history is not just remembered, it's lived. Ancient castles and bustling cities stand side by side, blending old and new. Poland's people carry their nation's story with pride, welcoming the world while honoring their roots. Strength here means more than resistance. It means rebuilding, remembering, and holding on to hope. The secret to Poland's spirit lies in its people and its land. It's found in simple family meals and grand national celebrations. Poland has learned to cherish both small joys and great challenges. This journey invites you to explore a country tested by time, yet beating with a strong, steady rhythm. We'll walk streets once reduced to rubble, now alive with energy. We'll visit mountains where legends are born and lakes that mirror the sky. We'll meet people who show what it means to bounce back and be warm-hearted. Poland's story is one of survival, transformation, and hope. It's a lesson in how to build a future on the foundation of a storied past. This is the heart of Europe, tested but unbroken. Join us as we discover what makes Poland's spirit so enduring. This is more than a journey, it's an invitation to witness resilience in action. Welcome to Poland, where the heart of Europe beats strong. To understand Poland, start with its place on the map, right at Europe's center. This crossroads location has shaped its history, culture, and fate. Poland borders 7 countries and stretches to the Baltic Sea, making it a meeting point for ideas, trade, and sometimes, conflict. The name Polska comes from the Polani tribe, people of the open fields. Most of Poland is flat, perfect for farming and movement. Vast fields of wheat and potatoes define the countryside, making Poland a key European food producer. The land's openness has brought both good times and times of danger. 38 million Poles share a strong national identity, unified by language and history. Polish, a Slavic language, can be challenging, but many young Poles speak English and welcome visitors. The Polish flag, white and red, tells a story of hope, peace, and sacrifice. The white eagle symbolizes pride, the red, the struggles for freedom. When you see the flag, you see a nation's journey through hardship and triumph. Poland's unity and resilience are woven into its landscape and its people. The open plains have shaped a culture of endurance and community. This is a land where history and geography are inseparable. The story of Poland is written in its fields, its borders, and its people's hearts. Here, courage and hope are as much a part of the landscape as the rivers and plains. Poland's geography is not just a backdrop, it's a living part of its national character. The land and its people have always moved forward, together. This is Poland, a land of plains, a land of people, and a land of enduring spirit. Every Polish city reveals a different chapter of the nation's story. Warsaw, the capital, is a symbol of resilience, rebuilt from wartime ruins into a vibrant modern metropolis. Skyscrapers rise beside restored old town streets, blending past and future. Kraków, once the royal capital, survived the wars with its medieval heart intact. Its main market square and Wawel Castle echo with centuries of art, learning, and tradition. The trumpet call from St. Mary's Basilica reminds visitors of legends and continuity. Gdańsk, on the Baltic coast, is a city of freedom and change. Its colorful riverside buildings and shipyards witnessed the birth of the Solidarity movement, which helped end communism. Each city, Warsaw's resilience, Krakow's continuity, Gdańsk's spirit of freedom, offers a unique window into the Polish soul. In these streets, history is alive. You walk on it, see it, and hear it in every story. These cities invite you to explore, to learn, and to be inspired. They show how Poland honors its past while building its future. The unbreakable spirit of Poland is found in the energy of its cities and the pride of its people. Warsaw, Kraków, and Gdańsk are more than destinations. They are living testaments to survival and hope. Here the past is not forgotten, it's part of daily life. These cities are gateways to understanding Poland's heart. Each one stands as proof that even after destruction, life and culture can flourish. The stories of these cities are the stories of Poland itself. They are places where history and modern life meet. In every corner you find resilience, creativity, and freedom. This is the spirit that defines Poland's greatest cities. Come and see how history lives on in Warsaw, Kraków, and Gdańsk. Poland's history is a saga of triumph and tragedy. Once a powerful kingdom, the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth was famed for tolerance and early democracy. This golden age brought cultural and scientific achievements. Think of Copernicus, who changed our view of the universe. But Poland's central location made it vulnerable. In the late 1700s, it was divided and erased from the map for 123 years. Yet, Poles never surrendered their language, culture, or faith. Uprisings and secret traditions kept hope alive. Independence returned after World War I, but was shattered again in 1939 by invasion and devastation. World War II brought immense suffering, but also fierce resistance. After the war, Poland endured decades of communist rule, dreaming of freedom. The Solidarity movement in the 1980s sparked a peaceful revolution, leading to democracy in 1989. Today, Poland stands as a modern, proud member of the European Union. Its history is proof that, even after the darkest night, hope and renewal are possible. The Polish spirit is forged in fire, but always rises with hope. This is a nation that remembers, resists, and rebuilds. Beyond its cities, Poland's wild side is breathtaking. The Tatra Mountains in the south offer dramatic peaks and pristine air, a paradise for hikers and skiers. In the northeast, the Masurian Lake District boasts over 2,000 lakes, perfect for peaceful exploration. Białowieża Forest, a UNESCO site, is one of Europe's last primeval forests and home to the mighty European bison. From sandy Baltic beaches to rolling central plains, Poland's landscapes are diverse and stunning. Villages dot the countryside, stork nests on rooftops, and fields glow with rapeseed in spring. Nature is central to Polish identity, a source of food, recreation, and pride. These wild places offer a peaceful balance to the drama of history. Here, you can slow down, breathe, and reconnect with the land. Poland's natural beauty is as enduring as its spirit. It's the green heart that beats alongside its storied past. Discover the wild, tranquil side of Poland. To know Poland, look at daily life, where family, sport, and culture are at the core. Family bonds are strong. Generations gather for meals and celebrations, especially on Sundays. This closeness provides support and continuity, helping Poles weather challenges. Sport unites the nation. Football is king, but volleyball, ski jumping, and athletics also inspire pride. On match days, the country comes alive with excitement and unity. Culture thrives in Poland. Chopin's music, Nobel-winning literature, and acclaimed cinema are national treasures. Theaters, galleries, and museums keep traditions vibrant. Poles are hardworking, value education, and are known for their hospitality. Guests are welcomed warmly, with generous food and drink. This blend of hard work, learning, and warmth defines the modern Polish character. Life here is about balancing tradition and progress. The arts and sports are not just pastimes, they're expressions of national identity. Family, culture, and sport are the pillars of Polish life. They keep the spirit strong, no matter the challenge. In Poland, community and pride go hand in hand. Polish traditions connect past and present through vibrant festivals and food. Christmas Eve, or Wigilia, brings families together for a meatless feast and the sharing of a płatek. Easter features colorful pasonki eggs and baskets blessed in church. Food is central. Pierogi dumplings, bigo stew, and żurek soup are made with love and meant to be shared. Traditional costumes and folk dances appear at festivals, celebrating regional identity. Each region's dress is unique, with bright embroidery and lively music. Customs like celebrating name days add color to daily life. These traditions weave the fabric of Polish society, keeping identity strong. Festivals and food are more than rituals, they're expressions of belonging. Folklore and customs remind Poles of their roots. In every celebration, the nation's spirit shines. More people are discovering Poland, not just as tourists, but as a place to live, work, and study. Safety is a major draw. Cities are welcoming and secure, even at night. The cost of living is lower than in Western Europe, making it attractive for students and young professionals. Poland's economy is strong and growing, with opportunities in tech, business, and manufacturing. International companies are investing, and the workforce is skilled and innovative. Beyond practical reasons, Poland's atmosphere is full of promise and optimism. The people are open, curious, and eager to share their culture. Here, history and modern progress create a unique, exciting environment. Whether you seek nature, history, or opportunity, Poland offers it all. It's a country building its future with confidence, inviting everyone to join. Poland is more than a destination. It's a land of opportunity and welcome. The journey here is just beginning. Come see why so many are choosing Poland. Our journey through Poland reveals a nation of strength, beauty, and hope. Its cities, landscapes, and people embody resilience and warmth. Poland's central location makes it a perfect gateway to the rest of Europe. Living here offers a unique perspective on history and culture, preparing you for new adventures. The lessons of Poland, resilience, curiosity, and connection, travel with you wherever you go. Borders are just lines. Real connections are made between people. Poland is not just a destination, but a starting point for exploring the world. Its story is one of survival, renewal, and endless possibility. From the unbreakable heart of Europe, your journey continues, full of promise and adventure. Poland's spirit goes with you, wherever you roam.
Thank you for traveling with us. Stay. The most incredible adventures are still ahead.